Welcome once again to my channel, HiCat Tutorials. So I have right here a 3D drawing you can also practice with as a beginner. You can also see that the drawing is 3-dimensioned. So I'm going to reproduce this drawing using these specified dimensions. And again, to start, I will have to switch my workspace to 3D modeling. So come up right here, click on this arrow and choose 3D modeling. Okay, so again I'll have to switch the view to top view to start this very drawing. So click on the view and choose top. Okay, so here is the top view of this drawing. I'm going to start this drawing again all over using these dimensions. So first I will have to draw a square of 32 by 32. You can see that from this length to this is 32, also this 32, so it is a square. So come over to the draw panel and click on the rectangle command. Click on this, then draw a square of 32 by 32. So enter 32, click on the tab key and enter another 32. Okay, here is this dimension 32 by 32. Again, I'm going to draw a line of 24 from the midpoint of this very square. So click on the line command, locate the midpoint, which is this, then draw a line of 24. Okay. Now I'm going to draw this circle at the end, that is with the center at the end of this very line, and the radius of this circle is 5. So I come over to the draw panel, click on the circle command and choose center radius. Well, here at the center, draw a circle of radius 5. Enter. Now draw another circle of radius 10. You can right click and choose repeat circle. Locate the center, which is here, and enter 10 again. Okay. Now next I'm going to use the line command to join this to this very end. So click on the line command, starting from this very point. Now draw a line that will be tangential to this very circle. And see that the tangent is highlighted there, so enter. So I'm going to do the same thing here. Click on the line command, starting from this point, draw a line that will be tangential to this very circle. That's tangent, enter. Okay, now with the trim command, I'm going to trim off some portions here. So come over to the modify panel and click on the trim command. Now trim off this circle, this, and this. Remove this, erase this. Okay, so I've now gotten this. Next, I'm going to create this slot and this very circle as well. So click on the line command again and locate the midpoint of this. Now draw a line of 20, which is this. This is 20. Draw a line of 20. Enter. Exit the command. Now draw a circle of radius 8. So I click on the circle command and choose center radius. But here at the center point of the circle, draw a circle of radius 8. So enter 8. Okay. Now this slot is 4 mm or 4 units. So what I'll do here is to use the offset command to offset this line by 2 on both sides. So click on the offset command, enter 2, then offset this line upwards and downwards. Okay, then use the trim command to trim off this I'll also trim out this. I'll also trim out this. Okay, that is done. So now use the join command to join them all up. So click on the modify panel again and choose join. Then join all the broken lines and curves. Okay, so we are now done with the top of the very drawing. So the next I'll do now is to switch the view again back to isometric. So click on this, then choose this. Okay. So the next I will now do is to press pull this, the whole of this down to a height of 18. This is 18. So using the Presspull command, click on the Presspull command and click right inside this very drawing geometry. Click and pull it down by 18. Okay. Now I'll have to draw this circle. And before I do that, I'll have to switch the UCS to front. So come over to the coordinate panel, click on this and choose front. Okay, now I can draw this circle. So draw a line, and the center distance from this circle to this end is 7. So I'm going to draw a line of 7 from this very midpoint downwards. So click on the line command, and locate the midpoint, which is this, and draw a line of 7. Exit. Now draw a circle of radius 4. So I click on the circle command and choose center radius. Then locate the center, which is this, and enter 4. Okay. Now remove this line. Okay. So next I'm going to use the Presspull command to pull this circle across this very drawing. So click on the Presspull command, which is this. Click inside this very circle, then pull it out and exit this command. So that is done. So the next is to create this very slot here. You can see that the distance from here to this very edge is 12. So what I'll do here is to draw a line of 12 in length. Click on the line command. Get this midpoint, which is this. And draw a line of length 12. Okay. I will now have to draw a rectangle of 7 by 24 or more than that. So draw a rectangle. Let's make it 24. Make this 24 or more by the width, which is 7 by 7, and enter. Okay, so what I'll do here is to move this rectangle. Click on move the rectangle from this point and drop it at the end of this very line. Okay. So what I'll do next is to use the Presspull command to pull out this very rectangle. So click on the Presspull command, click on this and pull it out. Okay, and exit this command. So next I will now have to use the solid subtract command to subtract this from this. So come over to the solid editing panel, click on the solid subtract command, click on this, enter, then subtract this. Okay. Can now erase this rectangle on the line, clean them up. Okay, so you can now see that this drawing is complete. I move it around for you to see. Okay, so thank you for watching, and please do subscribe for more tutorials.